So as I mentioned earlier, our major focus is to provide quality and affordable education for all the children, because every child needs to get education in right manner. Okay. So as you all know, Youth Empowerment Foundation, it's been working tremendously for the upliftment of the underprivileged community. As a part of it, we have been operating many projects, women empowerment, child education. There are many. Okay. So I'll give a brief intro. What is this organization is all about? So VYF is established in 2017. Okay. It's completely uh, based out of Delhi. Okay. As you know, we are spreading all activities across the country, not only Delhi, but we are basically based out of Delhi. This organization head office is located in Delhi. Okay. So currently we are working in Hyderabad as well. In next week, you can also visit us. By next week, we'll be having our centers open. Okay. So this is a brief about how this organization has started. So, and also we are running an helpline number for daily wage earners and the people those who are in need, because somebody is in need, they think whom to approach, whom to reach out. So for that, we have also have a special specific helpline numbers also through FIRE Foundation. The impact that have we created as an organization, YF has been creating a tremendous impact. During the lockdown also, it has shown a lot of impact on the underprivileged community, especially. So if I can list few things about our organization, the impact that we made, we are distributed more than 100 packets sanitary napkins, which are manufactured by YF only, which are produced by YF only. Okay, for the rural women, such as slum women, underprivileged, low income families, and also we provide free education for the 200 children at various locations in Delhi. Basically, we can see most of the people struggle with getting no education. Uh, okay, so in such scenarios, we as an organization, Youth Empowerment Foundation, is being educating 200 children at various locations in Delhi. We're also running a skill center for different soft skills and candle making, sanitary pad packaging. You can check all these pictures in our Instagram page. After this meet, I suggest everyone to go there and check our website and Instagram page so that you'll get a clarity. And also, we have started a free UPSC coaching for the needy and needy people. Those are very, very good at their studies, but they want some platform to guide them, right? So, with that motto, YF started UPSC free coaching, and also we are regularly conducting different awareness webinars such as marital rape, domestic violence, depression, and anxiety, self motivation, legal awareness. I can list many more such impactful things. Okay, so now every person has a mission to change the world. So, how YF started? The person behind the YF. What is the main motto? Because you can see most of the people nowadays in the society, we look for 9 to 5 jobs. We forget sometimes a responsibility to look after society and give back to the society. So we can find this amazing person, the person behind the Youth Empowerment Foundation, Mr. Rambabu Sharma, is the founder of Youth Empowerment Foundation. So there is a beautiful article published in an Indian periodical platform. You can check there all his story. It's such an amazing, inspiring story you will be finding. So I'll give a brief. How did he raised from? He's completely from a underprivileged background. Okay, he doesn't access to the good quality education when he was in childhood. So he has been through a lot of struggle, challenges. He worked as child labor. He has seen all such problems in his childhood. After seeing all those challenges, he want to make something. He want to give something back to the society. He doesn't want to see any child of that age suffer. So with that motto, he started this organization. And after years of struggles, he completed his graduation at the age of 27. So this is the really something motivation for all the youth whoever attending this call now, because it's not easy to complete graduation at the age of 27. We lost focus. There would be many distractions, family responsibilities. But this amazing person with grit and passion and faith, he completed his graduation and he started working with German multinational company. He's involved in different various projects and development projects across the globe. Okay. Apart from it, the best part, the great part, even I personally feel is he has started donated a major part of his salary for the upliftment of society. Not only started organization, he himself started earning and giving all those to the needy people. So that is the thing. Okay. So you can see in the screen, we have reached many states across the India. Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Assam, West Bengal, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu. I can list many more also, and we are gonna expand in other cities also further. Okay. So now you get to know about what YF is, how this founder has started all these things. Now I'll give a brief about this internship opportunity. Okay. So India is full of youth. Okay, if youth can decide, they can change the world. That is the power of youth. So now our motto to provide internships and engage youth in the outreach program, just to make them to understand the need of the youth in the society, to mold the society in a better way. Okay. So this is the aim to connecting this internship. Okay. So congratulations, and take a second to congratulate yourself for being selected, and you're going to work with this the privileged organization who is struggling to do something for the society. That's really appreciable. So the selected interns responsibilities, the interns whoever got selected, okay, we'll give certain tasks, we'll give certain, you have to submit some reports, you have to do some outreach programs. You can see teaching underprivileged children on weekends, conducting a community survey with our team, keeping data on the number of students that you taught, promoting YF and its various initiatives through social media. So nowadays social media is boom. You can see there would be many opportunities through social media, so you can utilize this opportunity to promote this cause across your friends, family, relatives, and your social media handles, and collecting old books and stationery from your connections for the distribution under privileged childhood children. Okay, become support for their literacy programs, whatever the project we're gonna conduct. So it is a disclaimer. Work assigned to every individual may differ and is subjected to current requirements of the organization. Follow the guidelines to make your internship enjoyable. About the opportunity, if you can see, so duration would be 2 months, but here at our organization, the great scope is we really appreciate if you could extend your support after the 2 months also. If you're really passionate about doing something for the society, most welcome. We really appreciate your efforts and time. You can work with after 2 months also, not as an intern, but also if you'd like to uh, work with us, if you'd like to continue this work, most welcome. That we can discuss later, but the maximum duration of this internship is 2 months. Okay. So about the offer letter, so yes, so every effort will be paid off in terms of appreciation, in terms of certificate, in terms of offer letter. But to provide offer letter also, there would be some task. Okay, because we are really looking for the passionate people, those that really want to do something. So after seeing your diligence, your dedication, then only this would be provided. So if you could see stipend, there is no stipend because we are a non-profitable organization. We are really looking for the support to extend our activities. So if you could spend your skills and time as an intern for the cause, that would come in some or other way. So hope you understand it. So it's completely unpaid internship, as you all know, but again I'm mentioning. Okay. So switching to other roles, if you're really interested to do something, you can switch to other roles or other departments within the organization after completion of this internship. As I mentioned earlier, we are an open platform where we encourage different talents, different skills. How? If you're really good at designing, I'll give an example. I'm Lavanya as an intern. I joined in the organization. I'm done with my internship within a month of within a duration of 2 months. Okay. After that, I'm interested to associate with YEF. I'm telling you example. Okay. I'm good at designing. Okay, poster making, all this. So how can I contribute? How can I associate? How can I continue my relationship with this organization? Is I can also do poster making or contribute in some or other way, not an as an intern, but I can be a supporting system to this organization. So I'm telling an example. So likewise, you can also, if you're if you're good at something, you are most welcome. Under our guidance, you can work with us. Okay, our offering to the interns. So there is a great, as I mentioned earlier, every effort would be paid off in one or some other way. Okay. So we recently started free UPSC coaching with our super mentors. You can find people from different sectors guiding this coaching online. Okay. If you're really interested to appear for the UPSC exam or any coaching exam, you yourself register through link provided. It's completely free of cost. Okay. We are not going to charge anything. You can see in outside there are many coaching centers which charge thousands for the UPSC and any competitive exam. So you can avail this wonderful opportunity for free of cost. Okay. So you can check about our voluntary diaries, our voluntary talks in our page and websites. Now mandatory guidelines. We have WhatsApp group, right? So kindly, whenever you acknowledge the message, whenever you see, whenever some important message pop up, you must acknowledge it and respond to that message, because no one wants to waste their time, right? So this is my our kind reminder. So be active and don't share any forward messages. Okay, this group only for YF batch after discussions, and if you have any questions, so that's it. You're not going to share any spam messages or forward messages. Okay. uh, if you have any questions, we also have a training session, say, like this meets once a week or twice, uh, in that meets you can ask your queries, or you can reach us through personal message also. If any emergency comes in, we are definitely available for you. And also visit our office in next week. Our office is live. We'll share the locations and details and all. So after you're completing the task, after you're officially interning with YF, then you can come and visit our office. Okay. If you're after getting official internship offer from YEF, after due to some reasons you may be inactive. Okay. uh, if that's the case, kindly inform us, or you will be removed from the group, you will be removed from this opportunity. So kindly follow work ethics and all these things. ID card and offer letter would be provided from us, and after we'll keep some target for our outreach programs. After you reaching at least 10 outreach activities during your internship, then you are eligible to get certificate. Make sure this point very clear. Again, I'm repeating, at least you must participate in 10 outreach program. It also gives a lot of exposure for you, it also gives a lot of network for you. So make sure not to miss it. There should not be a 15-day gap between two consecutive drives unless there is a medical emergency. If you need leaves for your exams, intimate prior through an application. You don't have to be there on every drive, but needless to say, you need to commit, as it's a crucial to do if you want to make a bond with the child and other which they will hold certain expectations. Okay. Uh, if you have any FAQs also, you can ask us. Okay, fine. So personally, if you have any FAQs also, feel free to reach me on messages if any emergency. we are available, because as a team we can work for these things. If you have any certain questions, you can reach me. Fine. For now, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat box, or you can have it. Hello, everybody. I'm back. I request everyone to switch on your videos again. Clear. Okay. So, yes, I'm waiting for everyone. So, be more interactive, because it's completely social initiative, and also you learn, you'll improve yourself. Okay. Don't feel uncomfortable, shy, or you come to do something, just give your best. So, hope all are clear with this presentation or whatever I'm explaining. Any doubts you want to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just unmute yourself and say clear, or any questions, feel free to ask.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay, fine. So that is the brief about our organization. There is much more to know. So once you are officially interning with us, once you are officially getting into this project, you will know all the details. Okay. So I'm the concerned person to the iPad. So if you have any queries, feel free to drop in the group, or also you can reach me out through personal message also. Okay. So further details we'll be sharing shortly. Until then, kindly check all these PDFs, whatever links that we have been sharing in the group, and also check our website and social Instagram page. We are very active on social media. There we are posting all the activities. Okay, and also we have another scope here in for the IDBA chapter. If you are willing to create some initiative for the YF, if you are have a creative idea for creating campaigns, or uh, if that is authentic, if that makes sense, if that helps people, we definitely welcome it. So you can also feel free to share your ideas, because we are an open platform. We really appreciate ideas for the uh, good cause. Okay, that's scope also there. So you can grow here, you can learn, you can network, you can engage, empower, impact. So that is the thing. So this is it for today. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach, and also just kindly follow our guidelines. Okay, because I hope you all are clear with guidelines. Kindly follow all of our guidelines. Once again, check, go through the document, whatever we shared with us, we shared with you. So for now, this is the thing. We shared our office address. Once it gets started, there also we'll have a one meet offline. So I'm going to interact with you all. We all can meet there and discuss. Is there any interview? Okay. So there will be another induction session in the office that will tell you. That will tell you there. We can discuss. Hope you all got clear. Ram, is there anything that missed out? Could you please share so that I can? Fine. Okay. So this is the thing. Office address, location, everything would be shared in day or 2 days. Okay. Once you are officially in, they'll will share all the details. Nothing to worry. Diksha is asking. So be with only one suggestion, guys. I personally want to give. Once we meet, we can get to know about each other, about project more. Be active in the group whenever we post something, because It takes days of effort to make that project, make that initiative. So acknowledge the message, say yes or no, acknowledge the message. Second thing is, if you have any questions, ask us, don't keep questions. And third thing is, be active. Active in the sense, be energetic, be creative, and utilize these 2 months. I'm sure after the end of this internship, you will grow as a person, because all these are outreach programs where you'll get to interact with the people, where you get to know the many people's stories, lives. Okay, so this is the best ever opportunity that you can get. You know, you can't get this experience outside. Okay, this is the best thing I can say. So I wish you all the best. Once again, congratulations for choosing this platform to work with us, and stay safe. That's it for the day. And thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the offline induction also. And from tomorrow, we'll begin with our task. We'll share the respective information through mail and through WhatsApp also. Fine. Any questions again?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Need much energy.
No, ma'am.
I want all of you. I'll just count 1, 2, 3. Okay. I want all of you to shout bigger. Okay, whatever word you can take. So we are in end of the meet. Okay. Anyone can suggest one word so that we can all shout that word only. Somebody asking question. Just a second.
3 cheers.
Can't come to your office. It's COVID time. I can virtual. Fine. So we all will follow all the precautions. No problem. There won't be any crowd. There won't be any crowd. Okay. There won't be any crowd. So nothing to worry. We all take sanitization mask, because if you're afraid of COVID, I'm not telling you to go and roam in the ground. So this is necessary. So we have to attend some offline meets also. So nothing to worry. Take vaccine, take precautions. You know, all disease comes from our mind first. If we are afraid of something, then it spreads like anything. So tell that one word. I'm waiting. So how many hours a week is this internship? Actually, we mentioned some guidelines. Kindly go through. You would be allotted some task during the week. So you have to complete the task within the duration. That will be your task. So it's up to you how you work. Any suggestion for the word? I'm taking some questions. Priyam Vada. Okay. As I mentioned, we'll share that information, how much the work, what are the tasks. So this is our first meet. That's why I'm making more interactive, because to make you all comfortable and feel free. Okay. So your task and office address, location, what are the project that we are planning, everything would be shared through mails and through WhatsApp groups. Okay. Just hold on for that moment. We'll be sharing by EOD or by tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so
By the
much.
way-
Sorry.
Yeah, by the way, my name is Priyamvada. It's pronounced as Priyamvada. Priyamvada. Yes.
So this is for the day. Thank you so much for being with us till now. Take care, guys. Stay safe. We're gonna end the meet in next few seconds. I wish you all the best, and take care. Bye bye. Thank you.